Hey guys, welcome back with me. What you do is find out the Google Forms size. So here I've already searched it on Google, the Google Forms header image size. So the size is uh 1,600 and 400 here. So go to Canva and click on the custom size. Here the width is 16. Oh, and the height is 400. Now click on create new design. Okay, so here this size is the size for Google form header, and what you need to do is just find the templates that you think you like. For example, I'm going to use this one. So here, what you need to do is just change the text, the title with the title of your Google Forms. For example, uh, okay, for example, like this, you can just change the text to the one you want. You can also change the font like this. I'm going to change to the font. Okay, so I've already changed the font and I'm going to delete this text at the bottom. So you can just write anything that you want regarding the Google form, and after that you can just click on share. Now just click on download to save the Google form header, and after that just apply it to your Google Forms. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.